Hello. Hi, welcome to another experience video. This is me, IUB again. So, if you have seen it before, then I shared my experience of cutting my long hair short with you before. I will link it down here somewhere, or I will put the link in the description box below. If you want to check that out, do go and check it out. But okay, let's be serious right now. And so this time what I'm going to try out is getting a tattoo. Now I'm shooting this like my experience before that, so that I can again shoot what is my experience after that. I possibly will get a vlog of the tattoo session. But the thing is, I want to get a tattoo possibly here or here. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I have to go and talk to the person who will do it. But I think that I will write patience semicolon as my first tattoo. Of course, my mom is not at all happy. So I don't belong to a family where people are like very open minded. I can't say that they are not open minded, but they're not so cool with all this. Like when I cut my hair short, I was a rebel in my house. Frankly, my dad was like, get lost, get out. Okay. But now when I want to get a tattoo, of course my mom is against it. She's like, I am disowning you. You are not my child. Okay. But yeah, let's see what can I do for myself. Like I like to do all this, which people don't like, but I just like to do that. I don't promote it, so don't do it. But yeah, I just want to get a tattoo. Patience with the semicolon is the first tattoo. So okay, I will check on when I am supposed to go and get one. That's me then. Oh, did I mention that this is I am trying to get it done on birthday of Jin, like Jin of BTS. 4th December I want to get on that day, but I don't know how it will turn out. But I will probably try to get on 4th December, and yeah, stay tuned. You're gonna have fun. You are with me in my 20s experimenting on myself. Okay, I'm talking too much. Bye. Hi, so I wanted to fill in whatever it is, but I wanted to say that I was going to do my tattoo on 4th, that is on Jin's birthday, but unfortunately, what happened was I fell down. And let's not show it. Anyhow, I got injured. No, whatever it is, I got hurt. Okay, and on my legs also. So the doctors told to, take a tetanus. And after you take a tetanus, according to the doctor, after 3 weeks only you can do tattoo. So we shifted our appointment to 19th. Okay, so we are going to do a tattoo on 19th, and I will see you in on 18th possibly. That am I doing, or the term delay and IUB have been best friends forever, and it will remain to be that. The Meghna, how you are feeling?
I am dead.
You
I
are
am
alive.
hallucination.
Meghna
Not
is
there.
hallucination, not there.
Yes.
So we are here, and everybody is deciding on what to do.
Up to the person who is making तुझे ना कौन है ये तो comfortable
He
layer है
told me to do it this way.
yeah
আরে করেই নি তারপর
আবার একটা কথা
Firstly, I decided to get 2 tattoos. The first tattoo was quite scary. I didn't understand that how much pain I will get, but after I got it, it was like nothing. Dude, it's like okay, it's chilled. And the person who made this, I will link him down below. Please go check him out. He is so good. He was so good with us. I got the second tattoo because he was so good. It was really painless. So the second tattoo was directly on the bones, so it hit it a bit, but I can endure that pain. Anybody can endure that pain. Also, our tattoo artist made us so comfortable that we were like chilling there. Literally, we were just chilling. It's like simple, nothing. What is tattoo? Just a bit of things. He also explained so much about it. Also, he told us that next time he will get us picnic ready with all the snacks and everything. My experience with Mr. Tanglehead was really, really, really good, and I have decided to make my all tattoos from him only. Duh. But yeah, let's see what is awaiting for me. But this first experience of getting a tattoo was so freaking good. Like, first you're getting a bit of pain, but then you're enjoying that. I'm not talking like a sadist, but what it is, that is what it is. Meghna and Shanu also did, and these are their experiences. They loved it, and Meghna also did 2 tattoos because she loved it, and there was really very less pain. Because most importantly, the environment our tattoo artist created for us was really good. We didn't think about anything else, and we were laughing and listening how it is just penetrating to the 3 layers and how tattoo works. And it is simple. It is not something that I am promoting that everybody should get it, but yeah, it is not something that you should be really scared of while you are doing it. Just get a good person to do your tattoo. That's it. He also said to just take care of our skin after we are done getting the tattoos. That's all. So after so much things, I did the tattoos. Let me tell you the meaning of them quickly. First, this is a very dainty small tattoo. I don't know if you can know this properly. This is a moon, and moon always depicts transition. Like, your life is transiting, like good things, bad thing, whatever it is having, the phases are going on. So moon always depicts phase, and there is sun, and with sun we know it is always progression. So my phases are progressing in my life, maybe good, maybe bad, but it is. And this one, this small one, is patience. Let me turn it down for you, hold on. Okay, so yep, so it's patience with a semicolon. Let me tell you the meaning of that. Semicolon, for universal meaning, it is start to the next beginning. Semicolon means never ending, it's always beginning. So have patience, every end have a new beginning with good progressions. This is the meaning of my entire tattoo, and I'm very happy with it. Thank you. Right now my tattoos are healing really well. I am putting Johnson baby lotion, and my tattoo artist told that it will take 1 month to heal properly. If you liked my video, then do hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and comment down your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.